So guys, today, on the 5th of January 2018, we will have someone who will actually take us through giving that voice, giving us the confidence, the love, the care to take us back to the world of dreams.
A very special person. Someone, as my co-host rightly said, will give voice to our wings, will give hope, will give us what we have come all the way through, and enrich us in every special way. Because I once learned to stay silent is a bigger crime. Speaking out and living yourself is how life is meant to be. So the person who's going to come up next, words, actions, depictions, everything falls short.
This person is a complete blend of elegance, beauty, and humility. You talk about her love and care for the people. She can go up to any extent to make it possible for them. Her love for her people can drive her so crazy that her focus changes. And when all of these are mixed with her focus, trust me guys, it's a hell-bent combination. And what you get in return are the people who are working on the ground for us, for our dreams, for giving us a bright future, for giving a safe and secure future to our families and our future generations. This lady is no less than a mother to all of us. Someone who came before has created all of this, but this lady has actually followed that DNA of this person. It's a huge responsibility, guys, and she has been carrying it forward, though today she does not need to do it. That's the love she has passed on to all these 10,000 people sitting in the arena.
For me, when I first met this lady, I saw her eyes speak. A warm smile could melt anyone. Her grit, so very inspirational. A person who automatically becomes your family member. 5 minutes or maybe 5 seconds with this person can rearrange the whole furniture in your mind. Now, without wasting further time, because we can go on and on, we can, make you sit the entire night. Are you ready for that? We can go on and on, but as I said, nothing could do justice. So let's have a clip and introduce you guys to that special person
that
in our
angel
lives.
in our life. Can we have the video, please? Associate,
We partner Kavita Sugar.